Top of the morning to you. We're another one of those days. Y'all. Making bricks right now. Had a bunch of client calls. Have a bunch of client calls. Let's go see what the ladies are up to real quick. Going good?
Going good.
Everything's good?
Yep.
I'm gonna get some more rubber gloves.
Thank you.
I didn't show this on the vlog already, but we're kind of meal prepping today as well. I've already cooked I've cooked some salmon fillets. I've eaten 2 of them. Basically, I'm gonna start cooking salmon fillets in the Instant Pot. You can put a frozen fillet in the Instant Pot and have it cooked in 5 minutes. Y'all know that? Pretty cool. So I'm starting having more fish, get more omegas in. Swing in here and get some bar stools. Bingo. Found them. Alright, y'all. Today has gotten crazy busy. We've had like literally I've had non-stop client calls from like the past 6 hours straight, back to back to back to back. Cooking some ground beef up right now with my cream cheese. It's raining outside. We got a bunch of unloading to do. We got to get the stuff out of the van that Crystal picked up. And then I'm gonna try and go to the gym and train chest at some point. So bear with me here. That's what that looks like. Delicious. It just got done pouring rain. I just finished all my client calls. Let's check out the kitchen and see if this new stool makes a difference. Alright, so Kayla here is going to demonstrate the functionality of our new stool. Yeah, there you go. What do you think? What do you think? Good?
It's good. It's gonna be amazing when I
Much better than standing all day?
Oh.
Who's the best?
You're the best.
Yeah. We got bricks on bricks on bricks in those trays. Alright, so check it out, y'all. I have a prototype, or like a sample, I guess, makes more sense, to a new electrolyte powder on the market. It's not on the market yet, but you know Keto Vitals, the pills, they're a really good source of electrolytes. There's not a whole lot in them though. They don't have as much as like a Vega Hydrator or a Zip Fizz or like a Dr. Berg's electrolyte powder. So I was talking to the founder, Isaac, and we were like, well, we need something a little bit more. And he's been working on this, and I'm super excited about this because this has substantially more. I don't have the spec sheet in front of me, but it's like, I want to say 400 milligrams of potassium. And I've tried, he sent me 2 flavors. I've tried the pink one, and it was really good. I'm going to try this one. I'm assuming it's like a lemonade. But the Vega Hydrator that I've been bragging on actually recently just changed their formula, and it has significantly less potassium than it used to. So I'm kind of on the market for a better alternative, and this I believe is going to be the answer. So I'm going to taste test it for y'all here. And again, I don't know when this is going to hit the market and be live, but it tastes pretty good. Wanna try it, babe? What? What? Come here. It's on camera now. I've already like alluded to you trying it.
I'm supposed to be not eating anything but my stuff.
This is totally clean, like I promise.
It has lemon. You're lucky I'm gonna have lemon.
Yeah.
Robert doesn't listen to me very well. Wow, that's really good.
Pretty good, huh? Better than
Wow.
Vega Hydrator, huh?
Yeah, way better than Zip Fizz.
Yeah, so once this goes live, he's still, I think, working on the prototype or working on the formula a little bit, but
It's actually really good. Like, and I don't like any of those types of drinks. Like, I always hate them.
And I believe it's sweetened with monk fruit instead of like a sucralose or anything, so really good there. So Isaac, if you're watching this, man, knocked out of the park with this one.
Totally.
I'm really excited about this hitting the market. I will be buying it. I'll be promoting it. I'll be using it. This will be my electrolyte drink. Thank you. We're talking about our game plan for the day, and I'm like, I gotta work on email. It's gotten out of control. Just to give y'all an idea, we get a lot of emails. We get a lot of DMs. We get a lot of messages, like Facebook messages. Whew, I don't even want to look at my Facebook messages.
I don't
It's
use
scary.
Facebook, so if you've ever messaged me on Facebook, there's a reason I don't respond.
I check Facebook, but not as I check Facebook least often. I check email. I try and like batch do my email at least once a week, sometimes more. But yeah, and I try and batch do my DM. I try and batch respond to anything. So if you ever write me something and you don't hear back within 30 minutes, that's why.
Yeah.
You know, some people don't realize that, like, it's kind of funny. People treat Instagram DMs like text messaging.
Yeah.
But I've got a pretty substantial following on Instagram, and a lot of people message me, and I respond to every DM, which I'm proud of, but it doesn't happen in 30 minutes sometimes. So just know that I get a bunch of messages, and I'll get to them, but please be patient.
If you don't get a hold of Robert, don't message me, because my inbox is the same way. Yeah. That happens a lot. People trying to get a hold of Robert, and then they message me, and I'm like, it'll be like 2 weeks after. I'm like, shoot.
She is not the gateway to me.
I am not. Believe it or not.
Anyways, I'm going to work on email right now. I'm trying to convince her to go to the gym. We'll see if it happens or not.
No, it's not going to happen.
Come on, baby.
Decision made.
Slacker. All right. Catch you in a few. All right, y'all. We decided... Actually, Crystal encouraged us to not work out today. She is to be at fault. She's, we've instead made today a cleaning organization. Get ready for tomorrow day. We're unloading the van full of all our stuff that was in Washington. How you doing, baby?
This is my workout. Robert's just lazy sitting in his office.
Baby! What we got? Anything cool from Washington?
This is Robert's book, so I'll tell you what, this is a heavy one.
My book? I thought we got all my books.
Nope, you got 3 boxes.
3 boxes? I haven't seen this stuff in like a year, y'all. What do we got? We got my deer stand. My pop made this table. My pop and I made that table. I made this wine rack. Yeah, kind of cool. Little. We don't really drink wine, but pretty cool. My pop made that chopping block. Fishing poles.
Just a bunch of other junk.
Yeah. Feel like you're back home, baby?
Needed. Yeah, it does feel good to have it all here.
Yeah. What are we gonna do for the vlog today to make it super cool and interesting?
I'll flex.
Yeah, flex for us.
No.
That's what makes this vlog worthwhile. Flex.
No.
Flex, baby. Come on, show us what you got. Check out. What is that? What is that? I'm at Sonic right now. Stocking up on some more ice to make those 2,500 calorie shakes. So I'm gonna get me a bag of ice and make one of those right now. Alright, y'all, so to recap, we did not go to the gym today. We did not train chest like we had originally planned. We just decided to get caught up, get the house cleaned up, get the emails done. I'm not quite done with emails, but I'm almost done with emails. Had several business calls, several client calls. Tomorrow, we're gonna wake up, we're gonna train chest. And I've also got a commercial dishwasher coming in. We're going to install that tomorrow, so that's going to be a good new addition for the kitchen. We made a lot of bricks today, about 1,600 bricks, so happy about that. Tomorrow we're going to make more bricks. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. We're going to have a great workout. I've been trying to target my chest more frequently because that's one of my lagging body parts. So I'm going to hit chest hard tomorrow. And it's all going to be good. So we'll see you tomorrow. I'm not even sure how long this vlog is. Hopefully relatively long. I'm not sure what kind of content we got. But tomorrow is a new day. Sleep tight. Sweet dreams. See you then.